Namaste, welcome to Vastu for Divine Wealth. 45 Devtas of Vastu Purusha Mandala: Shiki, Parjanya, Jayanta, Mahendra, Surya, Satya, Brisha, Akasha, Antariksha, Anila, Pusha, Vithata, Grihakshata, Yama, Gandharva, Bringaraja, Briga, Pitra, Dwarika, Sugriva, Pushpadanta, Varuna, Asura, Nakaratma, Shosha, Papyakshama, Roga, Naga, Mukhya, Bhallata, Soma, Bhujanga, Aditi, Diti, Apahavatsa, Savita, Jaya, Indrajaya, Rudra, Aryama, Savitra, Savitri, Vivaswan, Indra, Mitra, Rudrajaya, Rajakshama, Budar, Prithvidhara, Apaha, Brahma. Thank you.